AI debugging tools are cutting debugging times by up to 50%. These tools are transforming developer workflows globally. AI in debugging started gaining traction 5 years ago. Manual debugging was time-consuming and error-prone. AI-assisted debugging tools have improved accuracy and speed. Deep Code analyzes code for errors using machine learning. Snyk AI sets new benchmarks in speed and accuracy. AI tools reduce error resolution times by 30 to 50%. The shift to AI has been rapid and impactful. AI tools are now essential in modern software development. Developers now rely on AI for efficient debugging. AI tools continue to evolve, offering new capabilities. AI debugging tools have set a new standard in the industry. The rise of AI in debugging is just the beginning. AI debugging tools offer automated root cause analysis, saving time and effort. Predictive error detection preempts issues before they occur. AI tools provide intelligent code suggestions to improve efficiency. GitHub Copilot suggests code that reduces error rates by 20% in real scenarios. AI debugging tools integrate seamlessly with existing development environments. AI tools can analyze vast code bases quickly, unlike traditional methods. Real-time feedback is crucial for efficient debugging. AI debugging tools adapt to different programming languages. These tools provide insights into performance bottlenecks. AI tools enhance collaboration by providing shared debugging insights. Intelligent code suggestions improve code quality over time. AI debugging tools can predict potential code issues. These tools reduce manual debugging efforts significantly. AI debugging tools continuously learn from previous errors. AI tools offer insights that lead to better software development strategies. Understanding these key features can revolutionize your debugging processes. A medium-sized software company faced challenges with security vulnerability resolution times. They implemented Snyk AI, aiming to streamline their debugging workflow. Snyk AI reduced their security vulnerability resolution times by 40%. Before Snyk AI, resolution times averaged 15 days. The company saved significant costs by reducing time spent on debugging. Developers reported more efficient workflows with fewer manual interventions. Snyk AI's proactive alerts helped in identifying vulnerabilities early. The team's productivity increased by 25% after adoption. A developer shares their positive experience with Snyk AI. Snyk AI integrated seamlessly into their existing tools. The company also noted a decrease in false positives. Snyk AI's machine learning algorithms continuously improve over time. Ultimately, Snyk AI made the company's software more secure and efficient. The case study highlights the transformative power of AI in software security. Integrating AI tools into existing workflows is essential for modern development. The first step is assessing the compatibility with your current IDE. Popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code and IntelliJ IDEA support AI tools. Integrating AI tools can be achieved in less than a day. Teams familiar with Python and JavaScript environments have an advantage. Plugins and extensions streamline the integration process. Ensure the AI tool supports your project's language and framework. Configure the AI tool to fit seamlessly into your workflow. Test the integration by running a simple AI-powered task. Identify any issues and refine the setup for better performance. Document the integration process for future reference. Regular updates ensure the AI tools remain effective and secure. Effective integration improves the efficiency of your development workflow. Overcoming challenges in AI debugging requires addressing data privacy concerns effectively. Data privacy is a major concern when using AI debugging tools. High-quality training data is crucial for effective AI debugging. AI tools like PyCharm's Assistant offer local processing to enhance privacy. Customizable data usage policies help address privacy concerns. Ensuring data security is a priority for AI debugging tools. High-quality data improves AI model performance significantly. Local processing reduces the risk of data breaches. AI debugging tools need to adapt to diverse data sources. Customizable policies allow users to control data usage. Efficient data handling minimizes processing delays in debugging. User-friendly interfaces simplify customization of AI debugging tools. Overcoming AI debugging challenges requires innovative solutions and user empowerment. AI tools like PyCharm's assistant mitigate challenges effectively. Flexible AI tools adapt to rapidly changing debugging needs. In traditional debugging, developers manually inspect code to find errors. AI debugging automates error detection, enhancing accuracy and speed. AI tools increase error detection precision by an average of 25%. Traditional debugging often involves time-consuming trial and error. AI can analyze large codebases, identifying patterns and anomalies. Case studies show AI reduces debugging time by 30%. Developers using AI report improved accuracy and efficiency. AI tools can predict potential future errors based on historical data. Traditional debugging is limited by human error and oversight. AI debugging adapts to new code changes automatically. AI debugging tools integrate seamlessly with modern development environments. AI debugging supports continuous integration and deployment workflows. Future AI enhancements promise even greater debugging capabilities. AI debugging ensures a more robust and reliable software development process. The future of AI debugging tools is rapidly evolving to predict bugs proactively. Machine learning models can now anticipate potential bugs before they occur. Google's AI-driven bug prediction research aims to cut debugging time by 20%. Such advancements could revolutionize the way developers handle software errors. AI tools might soon suggest fixes, even before a bug manifests in code. This proactive approach can save countless hours in software development. In the future, debugging tools might integrate seamlessly with coding environments. These tools will offer real-time suggestions to enhance code quality. Developers will likely see improved efficiency and reduced time to market. AI debugging tools will become more accessible to smaller teams and startups. Collaborative debugging across teams will be enhanced through AI insights. The integration of AI tools will drive the next wave of software innovation. AI-driven debugging will likely become a standard part of every developer's toolkit. The future holds exciting possibilities for AI and software development. Selecting the right AI debugging tool depends on your project needs and team expertise. For small projects, lightweight tools like Tab9 can enhance productivity. Tab9 offers AI-powered code completion for various programming languages. Kite provides advanced features for Python developers, including line-of-code completions. Codota supports Java and Kotlin, offering real-time code suggestions. Consider project size when selecting a tool. Larger projects need more robust solutions. Here's a comparison of key features, pricing, and user ratings for these tools. Pricing varies. Some tools offer free versions, while others require subscription fees. User ratings can be a reliable indicator of a tool's effectiveness and usability. Team expertise also influences tool selection. More advanced teams may prefer customizable options. For rapid debugging, prioritize tools with strong AI capabilities. Let's summarize the key points from our comparison. For large code bases, Snyk AI and DeepCode offer the best speed and accuracy. Thanks for exploring AI debugging tools with us. Subscribe for more insights.